Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today I just can't wait anymore. It is time to plant some seeds. Now, as you can see behind me, I've been growing a lot in my grow room, and I'll link some videos up above showing some of the stuff that I've grown in my grow room. But I want to plant out in my garden beds. Now, I'm in zone 6, maybe zone 5, zone 7. It changes every winter. But it's not quite time to really be planting seeds outside, but there's a couple of different varieties of seeds that I have found do well when you stick them out in the garden in mid-February. Now, that is snap peas, sugar snap peas, and lettuce. So I've got these two varieties of lettuce that I'm going to go throw out in my garden, and some peas, and then we'll just wait and see when they decide to come up. If the ground stays moist, they'll come up when they're ready. So let's head outside and see what the garden looks like. Now, before I show you my garden, I want to show you my garden plan. And my garden plan is what I'm following, so I know what to plant, when to plant it, and where to plant it. So here is my garden plan. Okay, so here we have my garden plan for the month of February. Now, I'll link another video that shows you how I created these plans, but I have one for every month. And as you notice, these beds represent all of my garden beds. So for this bed in February, I plan to put peas and lettuce in. You can see that in the in-bed seeding. Now down here under seeds to start, I'm going to do this in another video, but we're going to do some chiji-misai, some chard, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, and kohlrabi. And then near the end of the month, we're going to start some other plants. And I'll do another video for that. So what I wanted to show you is how my garden plan looks and how I know what I'm going to be doing each month. So let's go look at the garden, and I'll show you where I'm going to put my peas and lettuce. Now, the reason I have a garden plan is I want to be able to eat as much as I can out of my garden throughout the whole season. Last year I did okay. I did not have a garden plan, but I didn't have seedlings ready when they were needed. I didn't have space available when I had seedlings. So this time I'm going to try it out and see if a garden plan will help me with my succession planting so no space goes to waste. So I wanted to start early in this bed. I'll show you this bed in just a minute, and put the seeds and the lettuce, and I'll show you how I do that. Now, the first thing I'm going to need to do is pull out this kale. It's crunchy, it's wilty. The cold weather has definitely done it in. It's not going to survive. So let's pull that out first. Now that the kale is out, we would need to think about bed preparation. But I took care of all of that in the fall. I put down fertilizer, I have vermiculite in here, and I put in some compost. So this bed is actually ready to be planted. It's also quite moist. I did come out here and water a little bit earlier today because it's been really dry. But further down, if you get further down, it's a little bit frozen still. We've got some ice, and we've got some rain coming tomorrow. Now, if it doesn't rain anymore after tomorrow for a while, I will come out here and hand water this bed just to make sure that we do get some growth out of it. So let's get planting the seeds. Now, I want to plant half of this bed with peas. If you look at the back of the seed packet, it says planting depth 1 inch, and we plant them 1 to 4 inches apart. So that's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to create some rows. And I'm not very careful about it. I just use my hand, create rows. And there we have our rows. Now I'm just going to add the peas. So now the peas are done. I'm excited about that. They'll just come up whenever they're ready, whenever the soil is warm enough for them, and it doesn't really need to be all that warm. They'll just come up. I'll make sure to keep this bed watered. Now we're going to plant the lettuce. I'm very haphazard about the way I plant lettuce, but let me show you how I do it. Now, lettuce is another plant that will just come up when it's ready. As long as the soil is moist, it will come up. So we're going to do some Merlot and black-seeded Simpson, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these two together and just broadcast them out over this area of the bed. As long as it stays moist, we'll see it probably in another 2 weeks. Mix these seeds up. We're going to rough up the soil a little bit. And then just sprinkle it over the top. And then pat it back down. Now I'm going to use this like a cut and come again lettuce. So when it comes up, it's going to come up in one block. I'll just cut it off, let it grow back, and keep cutting it off until I'm done. Now there we have our garden bed all planted, full of hope of harvest. This is really exciting. Even if these don't come up for a while, at least I've been able to be outside and get my hands in the dirt, and that makes me happy. So that's it for this video, and that's it for the outdoor planting till probably about mid-March, maybe near the end of March. But I am going to start some more seeds inside, and I'll take you along for that ride when I do that video, and it should be in the next couple of days. So thank you for joining me. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.